Brasília is the federal capital of Brazil and seat of government of the Federal District. The city is located at the top of the Brazilian highlands in the country's center-western region. It was founded by President Juscelino Kubitschek on April 21, 1960, to serve as the new national capital. Brasília is estimated to be Brazil's third most populous city among major Latin American cities. It has the highest GDP per capita. Brasília was a planned city developed by Lúcio Costa, Oscar Niemeyer and Joaquim Cardoso in 1956 in a scheme to move the capital from Rio de Janeiro to a more central location. The landscape architect was Roberto Burle Marx. The city's design divides it into numbered blocks as well as sectors for specified activities, such as the hotel sector, the banking sector, and the embassy sector. Brasília was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987 due to its modernist architecture and uniquely artistic urban planning. It was named City of Design by UNESCO in October 2017 and has been part of the Creative Cities network since then. All three branches of Brazil's federal government are centered in the city: executive, legislative and judiciary. Brasília also hosts 124 foreign embassies. The city's international airport connects it to all other major Brazilian cities and some international destinations, and it is the third busiest airport in Brazil. It was one of the main host cities of the 2014 FIFA World Cup and hosted some of the football matches during the 2016 Summer Olympics. It also hosted the 2013 FIFA Confederations Cup. The city has a unique status in Brazil, as it is an administrative division rather than a legal municipality like other cities in Brazil. Although Brasília is used as a synonym for the federal district through Senecdic, the federal district is composed of 31 administrative regions, only one of which is the area of the originally planned city, also called Plano Piloto. The rest of the federal district is considered by IBGE to make up Brasília's metro area. Brazil's first capital was Salvador. In 1763, Rio de Janeiro became Brazil's capital and remained so until 1960. During this period, resources tended to be centered in Brazil's southeastern region, and most of the country's population was concentrated near its Atlantic coast. Brasília's geographically central location fostered a more regionally neutral federal capital. An article of the country's first Republican Constitution, dated 1891, states that the capital should be moved from Rio de Janeiro to a place close to the country's center. The plan was conceived in 1827 by José Bonifacio, an advisor to Emperor Pedro I. He presented a plan to the General Assembly of Brazil for a new city called Brasília, with the idea of moving the capital westward from the heavily populated southeastern corridor. The bill was not enacted because Pedro I dissolved the assembly. According to the legend, Italian Saint Don Bosco in 1883 had a dream in which he described a futuristic city that roughly fitted Brasília's location. In Brasília today, many references to Bosco, who founded the Salesian order, are found throughout the city, and one church parish in the city bears his name. Juscelino Kubitschek was elected president of Brazil in 1955. Upon taking office in January 1956, in fulfillment of his campaign pledge, he initiated the planning and construction of the new capital. The following year, an international jury selected Lúcio Costa's plan to guide the construction of Brazil's new capital, Brasília. Costa was a student of the famous modernist architect Le Corbusier, and some of modernism's architecture features can be found in his plan. Costa's plan was not as detailed as some of the plans presented by other architects and city planners. It did not include land use schedules, models, population charts or mechanical drawings. However, it was chosen by 5 out of 6 jurors because it had the features required to align the growth of a capital city. Even though the initial plan was transformed over time, it oriented much of the construction and most of its features survived. Brasília's accession as the new capital and its designation for the development of an extensive interior region inspired the symbolism of the plan. Costa used a cross-axial design indicating the possession and conquest of this new place with a Cross, often likened to a dragonfly, an airplane or a bird. Costa's plan included two principal components: the monumental axis and the residential axis. The monumental axis was assigned political and administrative activities, and is considered the body of the city with the style and simplicity of its buildings, oversized scales, and broad vistas and heights, producing the idea of monumentality. This axis includes the various ministries, National Congress, Presidential Palace, Supreme Court building and the television and radio tower. The residential axis was intended to contain areas with intimate character and is